One of the most common reasons why people come to see me as a physical therapist is due to lack of balance. The most common question I receive is, what are the best exercises for me to improve my balance and stability? Well, in this video, I'm going to take you through 10 exercises that should not only improve your balance, but also reduce your risk for falling. Check it out. The first exercise we will get started with is the sit to stand transfer. This exercise is intended to strengthen your thigh muscles and to further help you sit up from various surfaces. You can use a standard chair, your couch, your bed, or a recliner to perform this. If this exercise is too difficult for you to perform without the use of your hands, go ahead and add extra height to the chair with use of pillows or cushions. You will begin by sitting at the edge of the chair, starting with your feet shoulder width apart or wider. Feet should be placed directly under or behind your knees. You will begin to stand by leaning your shoulders directly over your toes while still looking forward to keep your chest upright. Push through the ground with your feet to stand to an upright position while focusing on pulling your hips forward. Repeat this for about 10 to 12 times. The next exercise we will work on is called ankle rockers. This exercise is great for developing strength in the ankle muscles and teaching you how to use your ankle strategy to maintain your balance in standing. You will begin by standing with support by a sturdy surface like a counter. Focus on raising as high as you can on your toes and then rocking all of your weight back on your heels, lifting your toes off the ground. You will repeat this exercise for 15 to 20 times. We will follow up with the single leg balance exercise. This exercise is great for strengthening the muscles of your leg and learning how to balance on one foot. You will begin by holding on to a sturdy surface like the counter for support. Simply lift one leg off the ground and find your center of gravity. Do not allow the other opposing leg to touch your other leg or the ground. You can make this exercise more challenging without using any hand support. Repeat for 20 seconds on each side. The next exercise we will perform is the lateral stepping exercise. This exercise is intended to strengthen the lateral hip muscles and teach you how to step laterally in a safe manner. Start by standing in an upright position, slightly bend your knees and begin taking slow and controlled steps laterally. Both feet must be facing forward the entire time and focus on keeping at least a foot between both feet while stepping. You will complete 15 to 20 steps in each direction. The next exercise will be the golfer's lift. This will be really challenging for your balance and hip stability. You will begin in a standing position with a non-reaching hand holding onto a chair or sturdy surface for support. Begin by hinging the hip of the stance leg while extending the opposite leg straight behind you to act as a counterweight. Move your torso forward while keeping your back flat. Try reaching to the floor to complete the movement and return to standing. You will complete 5 to 8 reps on each side. The next exercise we will perform is the wall march. This exercise is great for improving your gait and will teach you how to place your entire weight on one leg while activating your core muscles. Begin by standing about 4 to 5 feet away from the wall and slowly lean your hands onto the wall until your head, shoulders, hips, and feet are in one straight line. Hands will be located at shoulder height, and you can use a towel to elevate your wrist if you suffer from wrist pain. Just as the single leg balance exercise, you will lift one leg off the ground by flexing the hip, knee, and ankle. You will continue to stay engaged through your core muscles by pushing into the wall through the exercise. You will complete 5 reps on each side. The next exercise is the assisted lunge. This is one of my favorite exercises for building single leg strength and identifying weaknesses between your 2 legs. Holding onto a sturdy surface like a counter or a chair can be helpful. Stagger 1 foot behind your body, placing the weight on the ball of your foot while still keeping your feet shoulder width apart. Focus on maintaining an upright posture and bending both knees simultaneously until your back knee touches the ground. You can use an extra pad or pillow as shown in the video to protect your knees. To complete the movement, stand straight up, leading with your chest. You will complete 10 reps on each side. The next exercise we will review is the suitcase carry. This exercise is a great core exercise that will teach you how to train your reactive balance. You will simply walk with the weighted object in one hand, keeping your hand tight and close to the side. Start off with a light weight between 5 to 10 pounds to begin with, and increase weight as you get more comfortable. The object is to use your core and shoulder muscles to prevent your spine from rotating or leaning over too much to the side. You will practice walking about 30-foot increments and practice switching hands. The next exercise is the bird dog. This movement is foundational for building core strength and body awareness. Begin this exercise by starting on the ground on your hands and knees. Then brace your abdominal muscles to stiffen the spine. Raise the opposite arm and leg simultaneously while keeping the back flat and pelvis leveled. Do not allow your arm to raise higher than the shoulder or your leg to raise higher than the hips. If this is too difficult, you can focus on initially moving only the legs or only moving the arms until you have enough control to move both at the same time. You will complete this for 5 reps on each side. The last exercise is the vertical jump. This is great for building explosive power through your hips and calf muscles, which we both need for balance. This movement will also teach you how to regain your balance after landing from a jump. You will start with your feet just underneath your hips, slightly bend both knees, and allow your legs to spring upward until you can jump with your feet clearing the ground. Use your arms to build up momentum when your confidence increases. It is best to complete this exercise with supervision and near a sturdy surface to grab to prevent yourself from losing your balance. There you have it, my top balance exercises that I believe will do wonders for you if you can be consistent with the program. They will be challenging initially, but I promise you if you continue to put in the work and effort that you will start to see some benefits. Thank you for watching today, and please feel free to share this video with someone you know that might benefit from this. To support my channel, I would greatly appreciate a thumbs up and to subscribe to receive all upcoming videos. Take care.